Hey there, fellow boarding pass collectors. Welcome aboard our island escapes, the ultimate Caribbean cruise guide. Get ready to set sail on a breathtaking journey through the tropical wonders of the Caribbean. Today, I'll be your virtual cruise buddy, sharing all the insider tips and exciting adventures that await you at each destination. So, let's dive in. Before we cast off, let's talk about choosing the perfect cruise line for your island hopping adventure. There's a wide range of options out there, from family-friendly fun to luxurious escapes for adults, so find the one that suits your style and get ready to explore paradise. Our first stop is the dreamy island of Aruba. Known for its pristine beaches and lively culture, there's so much to do here. Stroll along Eagle Beach, one of the most beautiful in the world, or dive into crystal-clear waters for some unforgettable snorkeling. Don't forget to explore the charming streets of Orange Estad and try some local cuisine at the vibrant market. Next up, we have St. Lucia, a tropical gem offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Climb the iconic Pitons for a breathtaking view, zipline through lush rainforests, and soak in the healing mineral waters of the Sulphur Springs. Oh, and don't miss a sunset cruise along the coast. It's pure magic. Ahoy, parents! If you're traveling with the little ones, you'll love our stop at Cozumel, Mexico. This family-friendly paradise is a wonderland of fun. Head to the famous Chancanab Beach Adventure Park, where kids can swim with dolphins and splash in the pools. For some culture and history, explore the ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum, a fascinating day trip. Calling all party animals. When we drop anchor in Barbados, it's time to dance the night away at the famous Crop Over Festival. Experience the vibrant culture, indulge in mouthwatering Bajan cuisine, and join the pulsating street parades. You'll have a blast celebrating life like a true islander. For all you lovebirds out there, prepare to be swept off your feet in Antigua. This island offers an array of romantic activities. Picture yourself on a sunset catamaran cruise, sipping cocktails as the sky turns pink. And, of course, treat yourselves to a private beachside dinner under the stars. Love is in the air! Ahoy, adventure seekers! Our next port of call is Grand Cayman. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of Stingray City and swim with these friendly creatures. For an adrenaline rush, take a jet ski tour around the island or paddle your way through the enchanting bioluminescent bay, an experience you won't forget. Get ready to go wild in Costa Rica. When we dock in Punta Arenas, immerse yourself in the rich biodiversity of this lush paradise. Take a rainforest hike and spot playful monkeys swinging through the trees. And if you're up for an eco-adventure, a thrilling zipline tour will have you flying through the treetops. Next up, we're setting foot on the beautiful island of Jamaica. Embrace the laid-back vibes and sway to the rhythm of reggae music. Visit the iconic Bob Marley Museum in Kingston, explore the historic Rose Hall Great House, and don't leave without a souvenir Jamaican rum and handcrafted art make perfect keepsakes. Our last island escape takes us to the Bahamas, where relaxation is the name of the game. Unwind on the soft sands of Cable Beach, indulge in a pampering spa treatment, and take a leisurely stroll through the bustling straw market for unique souvenirs. Trust me, you'll be living the island life in no time. And there you have it, our island escapes, the ultimate Caribbean cruise guide. From thrilling adventures to serene relaxation, the Caribbean offers something for every cruiser. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for the vacation of a lifetime. Thanks for joining me on this unforgettable journey. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite Caribbean destination. Bon voyage, my fellow boarding pass collectors. Until next time, happy travels.